Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhammad Hadi bin Khairuddin, and we are Group 10. And today we will presenting our mini project on an IoT-based irrigation system. The main problem we are addressing include forgetting to water plants, which can lead to unhealthy or dry plants. Second, overwatering, which not only wastes water but can also damage roots. And finally, difficulty managing watering schedules, especially when traveling. Let's now look at the main objective of our project. First, automation. The system automatically water plant based on real-time moisture level, reducing manual efforts. And next, we have water efficiency. By supplying the precise amount of water needed, the system minimizes waste and promotes plant health. Finally, remote control. Using a mobile apps, user can monitor moisture level, receive alert, and control the water pump from anywhere. To achieve this objective, our system integrates several key hardware components. First, we have soil moisture sensor, which measure the moisture level in the soil. Second, ESP32 or Arduino microcontroller, which processes the sensor data and control other components. Next, LCD display show real-time moisture level and system status. Next, water pump and tubes deliver water to plant when needed. 6, we have bread pots. Next, battery with holder power the system for portability. Next, relay module act as a switch for controlling the water pump. Lastly, we have mini water tank, which can lead store water for irrigation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Harid. So I'm going to continue this slide. The fourth slide is about software components. On the software side that we use, the first one is the Arduino IDE for programming the microcontroller. The second one is the Blynk app for mobile-based remote monitoring and control. The next one is system workflow. Here's how the system operates. The first one, it starts by reading the soil moisture level, and then it's continue. If the moisture level is below the set threshold, the water pump turns on, and then if the soil moisture is adequate, the pump remains off. The last operation is a buzzer alert the user, and notifications are sent via the mobile app. This process is repeated at regular interval to ensure the plants are always cared for. That's all for me.
Hello, my name is Isdani Berwazi. I will continue with this slide. Challenge with traditional system. Traditional watering system have several challenges. For example, manual operation often leads to overwatering, which wastes water, or underwatering, which harm plants. Second, they lack real-time monitoring of soil moisture, temperature, or weather condition. IoT-based irrigation benefits. An IoT-based system like ours offer many benefits. First, sensor ensure precise water delivery, improving plant health while saving water. Second, automation optimize watering schedules. And third, the mobile app provide remote control, making it easy to monitor and manage plant anytime and anywhere. Environmental and cost advantage. Beyond convenience, this system has significant environmental and cost benefits. It reduces water usage, lower bills, and promotes sustainable gardening. It's an eco-friendly solution for plant care.
While our system offers many advantages, there are some challenges to consider. First, high initial cost. The setup can be expensive for some users. 2. Technical skills. Installing and maintaining the system requires a basic understanding of electronic and IoT. 3. Connectivity issues. In remote areas with poor internet access, the system may not function optimally. For feature development, we plan to reduce costs by using cheaper components or scaling production. We aim to make the system more affordable. 2. Enhance durability. Improving the quality of sensors and hardware will ensure long-term reliability. 2. Integrate AI. Adding artificial intelligence can help predict plant needs based on weather forecast or plant type. In conclusion, our IoT-based irrigation system offers a smart and sustainable solution by Blynk. By automating watering schedule, conserving water, and enabling remote control, it simplifies the process and supports a greener environment. Thank you.